Good morning, Land Cruiser fans. Someone just asked me a question in the comments and I realised I can actually answer it using a video. So they were asking if there's a way to disable the swirl flaps without actually physically uninstalling them, and the answer is yes, and it's really easy. You just unplug the vacuum hose. So I'm just going to turn on the Land Cruiser now. Fire that up. The question is there a way to disable the swirl flap valves? Now, on here, this is the little actuator hose, the little vacuum hose. So here's my little hose. That is sucking when I put my finger over it. So the swirl flap, so the vacuum system is trying to apply suction. The engine is trying to apply vacuum to the swirl flap actuator to engage the swirl flaps. So here we happen to have a set of swirl flaps from a 1HD FTE. And you can see here the default position is that the swirl flaps are open. And now I'm going to do something disgusting for you, my viewer. I am going to apply vacuum to these swirl flaps. Are you ready? So, by default, they're open. Swirl flaps are not causing a restriction, but as soon as the system puts vacuum on it, that's what then engages the swirl flaps. Vacuum is what closes them, but by default they're fully open. So by removing them, you're really only removing the blockage caused by these central pillars. It's not huge, 4 or 5% of your airflow. By default, they're fully open. Now I'm going to go wash my teeth and my hands. Thank you for watching. Hope that was helpful. Look after yourselves, make good decisions, and I'll see you on another video. Bye. Oh man, don't we live in a golden age of information where you can get questions from Scotland asked from anywhere in the world, and a man will suck on a pipe for your educational benefit. What a time to be alive. Bye.